Kaasajal pole vist enam ühtki eluvaldkonda, millest ei oleks arendatud oma ekstreemspordiala. Kui enne muiste piirdus kõrtsmik vaid märjukese kannu väljavalamisega, siis tänapäeva tippbaarmenid peavad enne peene joogi segamist sellega pead pööritavaid trikke tegema. Ringvaatele demonstreerib oma oskusi hetke maailma parim showbaarmen Danilo Oribe.
Okay, now about, let's go back those 8 years when you were 18 starting as a barman. What other choices did you have?
I was studying by that moment back in my country in Uruguay, South America. I was studying to be a physical education teacher, and I went to one event to work, to help behind the bar. I had no idea about cocktails, recipes or whatever, and I just saw these guys from Uruguay doing some little show behind the bar, and I was very impressed. So after that I decided that I wanted to go to a school to learn how to make cocktails and practice flair, and that was the beginning.
Okay.
And smile, always smile.
No, Estonians are never smile.
Okay.
Here, yeah?
Right there.
And
flip.
And
whoa! Nobody saw that, no problem.
Too much. Okay, let's try it.
Right there. And the same pour. Nice.
And here.
Into a shaker. Perfect.
Into a shaker. Perfect. Thank you.
We have a tandem.
Tonight's gonna be